Hey, it's Brian with Action Garage Doors. I was in the neighborhood, decided to pop by. I was the one that put the flyer on your door. We are offering a 15-point safety inspection free of charge, and I'm gonna run you through a couple of the things that we'll be checking out. So first off, we'll be checking the rollers. We'll be seeing how the door operates. We'll be checking the springs along with the opener, rail, gears, everything in between, all for free. Love to get you on the schedule, and I look forward to seeing you.